Hey guys, my name is Stephanie Farron. I'm the Technology Facilitator at Butler High School, and this quick video is about Canvas. So what is Canvas? Canvas is an online learning management software program. It allows students, once they log in, to view all their courses from their teachers, submit assignments, complete quizzes, and turn in work. You as a parent can also see that work, as well as the teacher feedback and the grades. So I want to make sure you know how you can access that. In addition to the public schools in all of North Carolina, CPCC, UNCC, and North Carolina Virtual Public Schools all have adopted Canvas. So this platform is very similar regardless of where students are in the state of North Carolina. If you want more information about Canvas, the web link is here. So students access Canvas at school by going to the web address my.ncedcloud.org or cms.instructure.com. Both of these allow students to log into what is called their NC EdCloud, which is a platform that North Carolina provides for students so that all the software is in one place and they don't have multiple usernames and passwords. They should be very familiar with this site, but you as parents probably are not. As a parent, you can access Canvas either on a computer or with a parent app on a smart device. The parent app is blue when you go into your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store. There's also a red Canvas app for students and a gold Canvas app for teachers. So students, since I'm teaching the parents how to use the Canvas app on their smartphones, you probably want to make sure it's on your phone too, so that way you're ahead of the curve and know what they're looking at. So to start a parent Canvas account, you'll need to go to a Canvas website at cms.instructure.com/login/Canvas for the first time to create your parent account on a computer. Then you can go to your smart device. You click on the right-hand side at the top, hey, are you a parent of a Canvas user? Click here for an account, and you'll register and set up your account. To complete the parent sign-up, you'll have to put in your name, an email address, and a password of your choosing. Make sure that this is an email address you actually check and that you remember the password that you set up, as we at CMS are not allowed to reset the passwords for you. You can reset them using the email that you enter here. You're going to make sure you need to agree to the terms of use, and the last thing you're going to need is a student pairing code. So you're going to need help from your student for a moment. So what you're going to have your students do is log into their Canvas account using my.ncedcloud.org or cms.instructure.com. Once they get into their account, they'll click on their account login, which might be a picture if they put a picture up like mine, or it might be blank. And then they're going to click Settings. Once you click Settings, you're going to look for the icon. It's going to be on the far right-hand side that says Pair with a Parent Observer. Please note that this pairing code will only be good once and it will expire after 24 hours. So you want to be setting up your accounts simultaneously as you click the Pair with a Parent Observer, or you're going to need to do this multiple times. One other thing to note, since we're in the student account, is right below this, it says Web Services. All students need to make sure that they have linked their Google Drive account when they're in here. So that way when they're submitting work from their Google Chromebook, that it is automatically pulling up their drive under their account and allowing them to select their files, and therefore they do not need to toggle back and forth. So students, while you're here, make sure that you've got it set to your Google Drive account and that your Google Drive account is set to your CMS email. Once you've done that and your account has been set up, Canvas will notify you via an email to verify your account. Make sure you click that link. And then you can log in your account by going back to the website cms.instructure.com/login/Canvas. And here comes the important part. Do you have more than one student located in CMS? Would you like to add more students to your account? Remember, we need to set up all our accounts before we log on to our smart device. To add additional students, under your parent Canvas account, you'll log in, and then you as a parent will go to your account and your settings link. And then under settings, there'll be a button that says Observing. Click Observing and then click to add more students, this little plus sign box down at the bottom. Once you add more students, you should see all the names of the students to be paired with yourself in the Observer screen under Observing. So once you have all your students selected and all your students added under Observing, which each one you'll need an ID number and a pair code, so make sure all your students are available to log into their Canvas account for you. Then you now can go into your phone and set up your account. One other thing to note, and you can do this both in the Canvas Parent app on a computer and the Canvas Parent app on a phone. There is a notifications button. Notifications is just like PowerSchool. If you use PowerSchool, you can set up how often you want Canvas to notify you when your students submit work, student work is graded, when they hit a grade that is below a certain percentage point, etc. Once you've done that, then both your computer and or your smartphone can notify you when your student is not achieving what you would like for them to achieve in the class. So once you've created the Canvas app on a computer, then you'll go to the Canvas app on your phone if you'd like to do that, or a smart device. When you get there, I'll ask you to create a device or log in. Most of the time when I've done this, I've actually had to create an account again and they link together. So once you do that and you click create account, it's going to ask you to find your institution. Make sure you choose Charlotte-Mecklenburg Schools and not Butler High School. Once you click CMS, and by the way, you can pair students from all across CMS into your device, then you'll be able to see your student name and their coursework. Your icons may look slightly different than the one that's up here on the screen, as they have changed the apps on your phone. You can toggle between your students, and you can see all the work that they have submitted or not submitted in the class. A couple things to note. Make sure that you realize that Canvas is used for different degrees in all classes. The grade in Canvas may not be the same as the grade in PowerSchool. The grade in PowerSchool will be the grade that shows up on your student's report card. However, you'll get a lot more valuable feedback if you can access and see your student work in Canvas to see this teacher feedback and the grade. So you can see if your student actually submitted the work and then what the feedback and the grade would be, versus in PowerSchool you may only see a grade. If you need additional help or have any questions regarding this video or about Canvas, you may contact me at Butler High School. And good luck! Enjoy your school year.